This is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable dock Magnification on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. See, back in the day when you hovered your mouse pointer on top of an icon in the dock, it would zoom right in, creating this marvelous magnification effect. It looks so good that it started a wave of app for Windows user as well, where you can get something similar on any PC. So how to enable this feature, the marvelous magnification effect on your dock apps? It's so simple. So first, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. You can go to dock and menu bar, click on dock and menu bar, and you'll find there is an option magnification. You can just check listen here. You can adjust the settings in here. Now let's point the pointer in here. So you'll find the apps will zoom right in like this. So now you have enabled your dock magnification on your MacBook. You can also change the position of dock on your screen. If you want to move to left, you can choose on left. If you want to choose on right, you can just choose on right, but we'll just choose on bottom. You can also adjust this effect size. So simple, right? So that is how to enable dock magnification on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.